Hello everyone. Better Payment now offers a split payment option to divide subscription amounts into smaller fees in Elementor. Let's find out how to configure it. Make sure you have Better Payment Free and Pro in Elementor installed and activated on your website. We need to create two price ID in Stripe to configure the split payment. To get started, log in to your Stripe account. From the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Product Catalog tab in the left side panel. Click on the Add a Product button. In the following screen, add a product name and upload the product's image. Select the one-off payment method and set an amount. Hit the Add Product button to proceed. Your product will be successfully added. From the product catalog, click on the product. Then, click on the plus icon on the right side. Now, choose the recurring payment method and set a pricing model. Add an amount and select a billing period from the drop-down. Hit the Create Price button to move to the next step. The pricing details will be set according to what you have set. Next, click on the three-dot icon on the right side to copy and save the retrieved price ID. In the same way, collect and save the split price ID. Let's add the split payment option to the subscription form created with Better Payment. Open a page in Elementor. Search for the Better Payment element in the Elementor side panel. Drag and drop to add the Better Payment form anywhere on your page or post. Under the Content tab, in the Payment Settings section, pick from multiple form layout options from the drop-down. We have chosen the Layout for General. Set Split Payment as the payment type. Next, paste the copied retrieved price ID in the default price ID field. Then, click on your installment period and paste the split price ID in the price ID field. Go to the Style tab to customize the styling of the form. Under the Form Sidebar Style section, you can change the background color. In the Sidebar Text Style section, personalize the typography. From the Form Container Style section, modify the container color. Navigate to the Form Button Style section to change the background and text colors of the button. You can also do the same for the button's hover effect. Give a quick check to see if everything is set according to your requirements. Click on the Update button once you are done. That's it. You have successfully added the split payment form to your Elementor website. Customers can provide their credentials and proceed to payment. As you can see in the video, a customer is using a credit card to pay for the subscription through Stripe. The customer will get a success message containing a transaction number after making the payment. This is how easily you can configure split payment in Better Payment to manage subscriptions on your website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Use Better Payment to ensure instant payments on your website today.